Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you the easiest way how you could download Windows 8 as an ISO file to later on set it up in USB to repair computer or even to reinstall in a computer using Windows 8. So to get Windows 8, all what you need to do, open simply your browser and type download Windows. Hit enter. And here just click download Windows 10, it doesn't matter. And I will show you how you can go to the page of Windows 8. So here in the address bar, remove Windows 10 and hit enter. Here you are back to the main menu. Click on Windows 8.1. And here it says download Windows 8.1 disk image ISO file. So here, select an edition. You have different options, single language, etc. So I will select the first one. Click confirm. Select a language. Click confirm. And here you will have the option to either download Windows 8.1 either 64-bit or 32-bit. If you are using now a computer running Windows 8 or Windows 7 or Windows 10 or even 11 and you would like to know which software is running in your computer or the version, just go to your search tab and type dxdiag, run the command or click on it to run. Wait a few seconds and it will show you the operating system. Might show Windows 7, 8, 10, whatever, and it shows if it's 64-bit or if it's 32-bit next to operating system. Otherwise, you can just check on your computer box, and there it should be mentioned for old laptops. So for me, I need just the 32-bit, so I will click on it to start the download, and I will select the location where I want it to be saved. So save as. So once the download is over, you will see it in your download files. So we can just close this. Let's go to the file where we have saved it. And here we have our Windows 8 downloaded. You can use this ISO file to burn it in USB or set it up in a USB, and it will allow you to create a bootable device which you can use either for fresh installing or even for repairing a Windows 8 running computer. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.